kids! This video is for Monday, January 3rd for all of my classes. So guess who had to have surgery again this year? Me. My foot is very messed up, and so the doctor had to operate. So I am going to be teaching you through videos for about the next 2 weeks. So the bad news is I don't get to be there and see your smiling faces. And you will have to concentrate on a video of me teaching instead of me being there in person, which kind of stinks. But the good news is, while I'm out, I am not planning on assigning homework. What we're going to do is we're going to say that there will be no homework each night if your class behaves the way that you're supposed to behave. If the class as a whole is disrespectful to the substitute, or most people just aren't doing what they're supposed to do and you've wasted your math class time, then you will have to do a homework assignment. Your substitute will send me a text and I will then post a homework assignment onto Google Classroom, and it will be up to you to check for that assignment that evening. But if your class behaves itself and you all just do what you're supposed to do every day, then you won't have any homework and you won't have to worry about that. So I'm sorry that I can't be there in front of you, but you get to see me on video. Also, I'll be posting these videos to Google Classroom each day. So if you do have trouble paying attention in class or focusing on what I'm saying, or you just don't get the math the first time that you hear it in class, you can watch me again when you get home, so you can have double the Mrs. Henderson if you choose to. Today in class, I'm not actually going to be teaching you anything. I'm going to talk for just a couple more minutes and then you're going to do some work. The Math Olympics is coming up soon. The Math Olympics is held at the beginning of March, and for those of you who don't know, the Math Olympics is a local competition where our school competes with other schools to see who can do math the quickest and the best. So today in class, everyone is going to audition to be in the Math Olympics by completing some problems. You're going to receive a worksheet. On one side, it has some computation problems that look like this. On the other side, it has some word problems that look like this. I want you to decide which side you would like to start on. You can start on the side that you like the best. So if you're somebody who does not like word problems, you like just straight up computation problems, then you should start on this side. If you're someone who does like word problems, I personally like word problems because they have a lot to do with real life. You can start on the word problem side. So you choose which side you like best and start on that side. Once you finish one side, though, go on to the back and do the rest of the problems. You cannot use a calculator. The Math Olympics is all about how well you can do math, not how well your calculator can do math. So there is absolutely no calculators allowed today. Zero. No calculators at all. You are not forced to show your work, but on a lot of these problems you really should, because they involve long division or finding common denominators. A lot of these problems I can't do in my head. So it would be very difficult for you to do them in your head. This worksheet is not for a grade. This worksheet is just to give me an idea of who should compete in the Math Olympics. I only get to choose, I think, 6 people total per grade level. So the kids who do the best on these worksheets on one side or the other will be the ones that I choose. But this is not for a grade. So don't freak out if you don't know how to solve some of these problems, or if you're rusty with fractions and decimals, or you don't understand what a word problem means. It's okay. It's not for a grade. It is for me to know who should go to the Math Olympics and who should not. Your teacher is not allowed to help you. You cannot work in groups. You cannot use a calculator. And I think that's all the information that you need to know for today. So take the rest of the class period today to do your best work on this worksheet. Do as many problems as you can, as well as you can. And then I will let you know the results probably when I return to school. Be sure to do your best work, behave yourself, try your best. Don't just write down nonsense. Try the best that you can. And I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Good luck today. Take your time. Do your best work. Bye-bye.